In previous video, I was explaining about the definition of set. So I recap it. What is set? Any well-defined collection is known as set. Now, how you can represent the set? How you can represent the set? So there are representation of set in two types. First is roster form or tabular form, and second one is set builder form. So take an example. This is the set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is the roster form. In set builder form, you write over here n equal to curly bracket of x such that x is a natural number. So you see that there are two types of representation of set of natural number. One in which all the elements are written in curly bracket with commas, and on the second we write over here x such that x is a natural number. It means what? X such that x is a natural number. We write here what is x. It means criteria of x. In second set, let set of vowel be suppose that this is set A, and A, E, I, O and U, these are the vowels. So we take the alphabets for the represented capital A. This is the roster form. This is a finite set and this is an infinite set. I was already explaining you about that. How you write in set builder form? Set builder form. X such that x is a alphabet. And third example is very important. A is given that 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9 and 9 by 10. This is in roster form. How you write in set builder form? So you have to check its criteria. The sequence is how proceed. Suppose that this is n. So you see that 1 is increases over here. This is 2, 1 is increases. This is 3, 1 is increases. So x e equal to x such that x equal to n upon n plus 1, where n belongs to capital N, यानी कि जो n लिखा हुआ है ये सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर का एलिमेंट है और इसकी संख्या 10 से क्या है, कम है या इक्वल है. n is less or equal to 10. This is the set builder form. So in two exercises you have to just solve. You have to convert roster form into set builder form, or you have to check the given set is finite or infinite. These are the symbols used in the set theory. This is the symbol of such that. This is the symbol of for all. This is the symbol of implies. This is the symbol of if and only. IFF. You can write in simple way IFF, but read as if and only if. This is the symbol of belongs. This is the symbol of universal set. This is the symbol of symmetric difference. Or you can write this one, both are same. So these are the notations generally used in the set. Two more notations is over here. This is subset. This is proper subset. Proper subset. This is union. This is intersection. So these are the important notations which are used in this chapter. Thank you.